Okay, now see here. The next question is if x is equal to 1 plus a square plus a cube plus so on infinity, then find a in terms of x. Then find a in terms of x. So see here, this series is nothing but s infinity formula. This series is the s infinity formula. Already equal to s infinity is equal to the formula is s infinity is equal to the formula is a by 1 minus r. The formula for S infinity is equal to already I told you the formula. S infinity is equal to the formula is nothing but S infinity is equal to the formula is A by 1 minus R. A by 1 minus R. Here A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. R is equal to second term by first term. A by 1. A by 1. A. Now write down this one. Here x is equal to this one. We use this formula. A first term A is equal to 1. 1 by 1 minus R means A. 1 minus R means A. This is the value. So x is equal to 1 by 1. But I want to answer find A in terms of x. I want A in terms of x. So we can do one thing. Send this side and x to this side. This is equal to 1 minus A is equal to 1 by x. 1 minus A is equal to cross multiply 1 minus A is equal to 1 by x. Now what we'll do is we can send minus A to that side, 1 to the right, 1 by x to the side. This is equal to 1 minus 1 by x is equal to A. This is the answer. So A to that side, you can write it like this. This is equal to take LCM x into x minus 1 by x is equal to A. So the value of A is how much means the value of A is nothing. X minus 1 by x is the value. X minus 1 by x is the value. X minus 1 by x is the value. So the answer of A is how much means x minus 1 by x is the answer. Yashwant, you got reverse answer. You got reverse answer. See. R it is the right answer. 1 minus 1 by x is the right answer. Very good. 1 minus 1 by x is the right answer. Please give me yes. We'll go for the next problem. So this term is nothing. This is a formula for S infinity formula. S infinity formula A by 1 minus R. A means 1. R means A. Second number first term A1 A. Now x is equal to for this one applying formula A means 1 by 1 minus R. 1 minus A means R means A. So cross multiplication 1 minus A x to this side is equal to 1 by x. So minus A to that side and x to this side. 1 minus 1 by x is equal to A. So finally A is equal to LCM x is on x minus 1 by x. Yes, sir. From Bhavani and Small. Very good, very good. Next one. Next one. If the first term of GP is, if the first term of GP is, if the first term of, if the first term of GP is 2, first term of GP is 2, and the sum of infinite terms is 6, and sum of infinite terms is 6. Sum of infinite terms is 6. Then find the common ratio. 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 Once again, see here. If the first term of GP is, if the first term of GP is 2, if the first term of GP is 2, and sum of infinite terms, and sum of infinite terms is 6, then find the common ratio. Then find the, but find out R value. So you have to use the formula S infinity formula. S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. From that you have to find R. Find out The formula already put the formula S infinity is equal to the formula S infinity is equal to the formula A by 1 minus R. A by 1 minus R. Two by 3 is the right answer. 2 by 3 is the right answer from Yashwant and Aishwarya. Very good answer. See here. So A is equal to 2. S infinity is equal to 6. R is equal to question mark. What is the formula for S infinity is equal to the formula is A by 1 minus R. S infinity is 6. 6 is equal to A is 2 by 1 minus R. So 1 minus R is said 6 direct downwards. 1 minus R is equal to 2 by 6. 2 by 6. So 1 minus R is equal to 2 1s are 2 3s are 1 by 3. 1 by 3 this side and R to that side. 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to R. So I take LCM 3. 3 into 3 minus 1. 2 by 3 is equal to R. So the value of R is 2 by 3. The value of R is 2 by 3 is the value of R. Right on this. So given A is equal to, first term is 2, S infinity is equal to 6, R is equal to common ratio find out, R is question mark. So what is the formula? S infinity to the formula is A by 1 minus R. 6 is equal to 2 by, A means 2 by 1 minus R. So R 1 minus R this side 6 downwards. 1 minus R is equal to 2 by 6. 2 1 is 2 3. 1 minus R is equal to 1 by 3. R to that side and 1 by this side. So 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to R. So I take LCM 3 into 3 minus 1 2. 2 by 3 is equal to R. Please give me S afterwards. Yes, from side dish. Only one person given. What about others? Next one. In a GP, in a GP, in a GP, in a GP of positive terms, in a GP of positive terms, the difference between T5 and T4, the difference between T5 and T4 is the difference between T5 and T4 is 576, and the difference between the difference between T2 and T1, T2 and T1 T2 and T1 is 9. Find T5. Find T5. Find T5. See here, in a GP of positive terms, positive terms, the difference between T5 and T4 is the difference between T5 and T4 is 576, and the difference between T2 and T1 is 9. Find T5. Find T5. Try is the chain. Try it. Yes. Okay, see here. So T5 is equal to A into R3 power of 4. T4 is equal to A into R2. T2 is equal to A into R. T1 is equal to A. These values first of all. The values are T5 is equal to A into R to power 4, T4 is equal to R2, T2 is equal to R2. So difference between these two, these first of all T4 and T5. So A into R to the power of 4 minus A into R cube is equal to 576. So we can take common as AR cube common. So the value becomes R minus 1 is equal to 576. First equation. Here, these two difference, AR minus A is equal to 9. A common, R minus 1 is equal to 9. This is second equation. So the answer is H1, the answer is 192. 192 is the wrong answer from H1. Answer is 768. Okay, we can see it. So the value like this. Now I am doing is 1 by 2. First equation by second equation. This is equal to A into R cube minus R minus 1 by A into R minus 1 is equal to 576 by 9. This A cancel, R cancel. 9 ones, 9 sixes are 9 fours. 9 6 are 54, 9 4. So the remaining is implies R2 is equal to 64. This is equal to 4 cube. Implies R is equal to 4. Bases equal, powers equating. So the value of R is 4. The value of R is 4. Finally, I am knowing all the values. I know all the R value. I have to find A. How to find A from 2? From 2. A into R is 4 minus 1. A into 3 is equal to 9. R minus 1 from 2. R is 4, 4 on the 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So the value of A is equal to 3. So finally, I am doing all the values. Now I will find T5. T5 is equal to A into R to the power of 4. A means 3. 3 into R is 4 to the power of 4. 3 into 4 to the power of 4 is 16, 256. 3 into 6, 18, 1 is there. 15, 6, 1 is there. 768 is the right answer. 768 is the right answer. I will tell once again. Please see here. So in an GP of positive, the difference between T5 and T4 is 576, and the difference between T2 and T1 is 9. Find T5. So T5 means A, and T5 formula is A into R to the power of 4. T4 into the general formula Tn is formed A into R to the power of n minus 1. So from that T4 will be A into R2, T2 and A into R because value n value 2 and 2 minus 1. T1 is 1. T1 is A. So between the difference A into R to the power 4 minus A into R cube is equal to 576. Between difference AR minus A is equal to 9. So you can take common as A and R cube common, R minus the remaining 5 is the first equation assume. Here you can take common as A, R minus is equal to second equation. Now what I'm doing is 1 by 2, I'm writing my first equation, second equation. This is first equation A into R cube R minus 1. A into R minus is equal to 5, so this is the 9. That 9. So A cancelled, R will cancel. Remaining is R cube remain. Here 9 is like 64 times. R cube is equal to 64. I written 64 as 4 cube. 4 cube. So bases equal, powers equating. So the powers equal, bases equating. Powers equal, base R is equal to 4. So I know the value of R value is 4. Now come to the second equation. Second equation A into R means 4. 4 minus 1, 3 into that is equal to 9. From here we get A value. 3 1 the 3. So the value of A is 3. So finally I'm knowing R and A. I am finding T5. T5 is equal to the formula is A into R to the power of 4. A is 3. 3 into R means 4. 4 to the power of 4. So 4 to the power of 4 means another 6 2 digits because 4 square into 4 square. 16 is into 2 digits. 3 into 2 digits, the value is 768. Right on this one. If completed, please give me yes. Is there any shortcut? So, no, there is no shortcut. No? We can go for the general method only. Shortcut means we have to practice, we can reduce the steps. Shortcut means don't write down these values. This first step is unnecessary. This first step is unnecessary. We can write down directly this step. 1 by 2 step. You can write down directly this step. You can write down directly this step. Directly on practice. On practice, you can write directly this step. So further understand purpose and in so many steps. If you go on practice, you can write down only this step. Third step. Okay, Aishwarya. Right. All of you, yes. Please give me yes. Right. Next one. The sum of the three terms of the GP is the sum of the three terms of GP. The sum of the three terms of GP is 13 and and their product is 27 and their product is 27. Their product is 27. Find the terms. Find the terms. Find the terms. The sum of the three terms. The sum of the three terms of GP. We have to there in GP the three terms are there. We don't know the terms. Three terms are there. Three terms of the GP is 30 and their product is 27 and their product is 27. Find the terms. Find the terms. See here, how can you do this one? I will tell you. So let us assume that the terms are three terms, let the terms are in GP irregular. Let the terms are A by R, comma, A, comma, AR. Let us assume just for it. Three terms is here, let us assume just for. Let the terms are, can assume like this one. Let the terms are A by R, comma, A, comma, R. Let the terms are. So what is the first condition? Sum of the terms means A by R plus A plus AR is equal to 13. This is the first condition. And their product means into this comes A by R into A into AR is equal to 27. Here, this R and R cancel. A into A into A cube. A cube is equal to 27. A cube is equal to 3 cube. A is equal to 3. So from here I have the value of A is 3. I'm getting the value of A is 3. So the sum of the three terms is 13. A by R plus A plus AR is equal to 13. Product means A by R into A. First of all, I assume that the three terms are. First of all, I assume the three terms are A by R, A and AR. This is the compulsory. Compulsory you have to assume like this only. Compulsory you have to assume the terms are like this only. A by R, comma A, comma AR. That is compulsory. So sum is equal to means plus. Into product is into the product. So on finding the value of A is equal to A is equal to 3 here. Substitute the value of A is equal to 3 here. Here. 3 here. A 3 by R plus 3 into R is equal to, send 3 to that side. 3 by R plus 3R is equal to 10. So now take LCM. R 3 plus 3 into R 3R square. 3R square is equal to 10. 3R square is equal to 10. 3R square is equal to 10. So that's why this is equal to, we will get the equation. Equation is for better about the opposite. This possible. So the value is equal to, the equation is 3R square plus 10R minus 3 is equal to. So the I'm doing here. For this one, we will find the products. 3R square plus 9R plus R minus 3 is equal to. So the value 3R common, R plus 3 plus 1 common is plus 10 means 9R minus R, this is R plus R minus 2. How can you get the value of product? Product is wrong answer. So sorry, this is minus 1. Minus 1, minus 9, minus R. Now here it is, we can take as minus 1 common, R plus 3. Plus 1 common, R plus R minus 3. The product is not done here. See here. So 3R square minus 10R plus this is plus 3. Plus 3. Now find the values. 3R into R minus 3. Okay, minus 1 into R minus 3 equal to. So the values are R minus 3 into 3R minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, the value of R is equal to 3, one product, R 1 by 3, one product. The values of R is equal to 3 and 1 by 3. Now we have to find out these values. Three values are A by R means A by R, A means 3, 3 by 3, 1. Next, A means 3, 1 comma 3. AR, A into R. So 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 9. So the values are these are 1, 3, 9. See here, once I am telling for you. Once I am telling you. First of all, let us assume the terms are A, the three terms are A by R, comma A, comma R. Sum means A by R plus A plus AR is equal to 13. Product means A by R into A into R is equal to 27. Here R cancel, A cube is equal to 27. 27 I can become 3 cube. So A is equal to 3. Okay, the value of A. Substitute the value of A here in this application. 3 by R plus 3 plus 3R is equal to 13. 3 by R, 3 to that side, 13 minus 10. 3R is equal to 10. So 3 plus take LCM R, 3 plus 3R square is equal to 10. So now R to that side 10R. So I'm sending this side. 3R square minus 10R plus 3 is equal to. For this, we will write the factors. How to get factors means 3r square minus, I'm writing 10r as minus 10r minus r. Factors plus 3 is equal to 0. In these two terms, 3r r minus 3 minus 1 factor r minus 3 is equal to 0. So the factors are r minus 3 into 3r minus 1. So r minus 3 is equal to 0 means r is equal to 3. 3r minus 1 is equal to 0 means r is equal to 1 by 3. So the values of r are 3 and 1 by 3. After knowing the value of a and r, you can take anyone. Anyone, if you take anyone, you can take it very good. So anyone, a by r means 3, 3 by 3, the value is 1. A means 3, AR means 3 into 3, 9. So the answer is 139. Okay, right. Already Bhavani and Aishwarya the answer is very good now. Right on this one, if completed, please give yes. This chapter is very important. Already I told you, you read 3 to 4 marks. Coming to an end, I hope today it will not complete. Tomorrow, just if you have 20 minutes, the topic is completed. Please give me a sum completion. Completed. Okay, Bhavani. Next one. Find the geometric mean of 212. Find the geometric mean. Geometric mean, shortcut GM. Find the geometric mean. Geometric mean of 212. Of 212. Find the geometric mean. Find the geometric mean. GM of 212. Find the geometric mean. GM of 212. So actually, I have not put the formula for you. I am writing the formula here directly. Geometric mean GM is equal to square root of A into is the formula. Geometric mean formula is square root of A into geometric mean GM is equal to the formula is square root of. This is A, this is B. That is A, that is B. See here, this is not 1232 this one. 2132. All of you verify. All of you. 2132. 2132. 2132, not 12. 2132. 200. Now the formula is geometric mean formula is square root of A into. Very good answer. Very good. Very good answer. Very good answer. So this is equal to 2 into 32. So the value is 64. 64 means 8 is the answer. 64. This is a very important formula. Very important. Very important one. Very important one. So the video is going to wind up in 10 minutes. After this, the class over. The video is going to wind up in 10 minutes. If it is video is wind up, our class is over. Don't wait for the start time. Okay. So some persons are waiting for me. Don't wait. The video is going to wind in 10 minutes. Afterwards, our class is over. Because math means somewhat bore for you. I am hoping like that. Okay. So what is the formula? GM is equal to the formula is square root of A into B. Square root of A means 2, B means 32. So the answer is 64. Root of 64 is nothing but 8. Very important formula. Very important. 100% I will be. There is a chance of question I say. Next one. If three GMs, if three GMs, if three GMs are are lies between 4 and 64, 4 and 64, 4 and 64, then find the common ratio. 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 So here also for this one the formula is R is equal to B by A whole to the power of 1 by n plus 1 is the formula. Is the formula. 1 by n plus 1 is the formula. There is a formula apply here. The formula is R is equal to B by A. For this is A and B. R n means how many terms? How many GMs? 3 GMs. So n is equal to 3. Apply here. Do it. So this is equal to implies R is equal to 64 by 4 whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1. 4 ones 4 16s. 16 to the power of 1 by 4. This is equal to 2 to the power of 4. 4 to the power of 1 by 4. 4 cancel. So the answer is 2 is the answer from Aishwarya and Bhavani. Very good answer. The answer is 2. This is also important problem. This is also important problem. We are at the ending of the chapter. I hope some more 6 to 7 problems are there. Tomorrow, 20 minutes this class will be there. Afterwards, we will go for a new topic tomorrow. See once again, see the videos. Try to see once again the video. Mathematics because somewhat tough and compared to arithmetic and everything. So you can get an idea about mathematics. If AM and GM of if AM and GM of two numbers are are 13 and 12 respectively. 13 and 12 respectively. 13 and 12 respectively. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. If AM and GM, if AM means arithmetic mean, AM means arithmetic mean, and GM means geometric mean. Of two numbers are 13 and 12. Of two numbers are 13 and 12. Then respectively, then find the numbers. Then find the numbers. See here. So actually, I know I have not put this formula. AM is equal to the formula is Arithmetic mean is equal to the formula is A plus B by. నేను చెప్పలేండి ఫార్ములా ఏఎం ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ అక్కడ మీరు మిస్ అయ్యే ఫార్ములాస్ లో అక్కడ రాసుకోండి ఏఎం ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి బై టూ ఫార్ములా అర్థమెటిక్ మీన్ ఫార్ములా ఇస్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి బై టూ ఆల్రెడీ జిఎం ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ జస్ట్ నౌ జిఎం ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ జిఎం ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ నౌ హియర్ ఏఎం ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ అర్థమెటిక్ మీన్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ హౌ మచ్ 13 is equal to a plus b by or a plus b is equal to 2 into the 12. Here GM is how much 12? 12 is equal to root of AB or AB is equal to 12 square 144. 12 square 144. So a plus b is equal to 26 and AB is equal to 144. AB is equal to 140. A plus b is equal to 26, AB is equal to 140. We have to find out A and B values. ఇక్కడ లాట్ వేయండి ఏ వాల్యూ బి వాల్యూ లాట్ వేస్తాం ఏ వాల్యూ బి వాల్యూ లాట్ వేయాలి యాక్చువల్ గా ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ 144 is 12 square 1 and another one is 144 square 18 into 8 18 into 8 is equal to 144 18 8 is 144 18 8 is 144 so here the values of if you take A is equal to 18 B is equal to 8 plus 18 plus 8 26 satisfied. So and also the value is 144. Therefore the answer is A is equal to, you can take it as A is equal to 18, B is equal to 8. This is the answers. Two numbers are A and B numbers are what are the numbers means 18 and 8. So here we have to go for lateral. How to find the lateral is you have options would be there. In the downwards we have the examination we have down options are there. 18, 8, 20, 26 like this. You have to find out the product. 18 into 8 is 144. Okay, that's it. The answer is 18, 8. So here I am not giving the options for you, but in the examination the options will be there. Simply check out the options, you can get the answer. Last one, I will tell you. Please give me yes afterwards. The remaining HM is there, harmonic HP is there. Tomorrow we can discuss HP and close this topic. First 40 minutes, then go for the next 40 minutes, go for the next new topic. If you complete it, please give me yes. Are you feeling bored? Are you feeling bored about mathematics? Completed stuff from Bhavani and Divya. Very good. Okay. Write the problem, last one. If 4 GMs lies between, if 4 GMs lies between 2 and 6, 2 and 8, then their product is dash. Then their product is dash. Then their product is dash. If 4 GMs lies between